Greetings and welcome to Sego's This and That. In this captivating video, join me, Sego, as we delve into the compelling court case surrounding the search for justice in the tragic case of Senzo Meyiwa. Will the truth finally be revealed? Will Senzo Meyiwa's family finally find the closure they deserve? And what about the loyal fans of the Orlando Pirates Football Club and Senzo worldwide? Will they find solace and closure as well? Make sure to watch this entire video to gain a comprehensive understanding of the dramatic events that have unfolded within the court proceedings. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions about this case in the comment section below. We truly value your input and would love to hear how you feel. Join our passionate crime enthusiast family by subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll receive regular updates and stay informed about the latest developments in this case and other intriguing crime stories. Help us grow by liking and sharing this video with your friends and fellow enthusiasts. Let's come together and witness the intense drama within the courtroom as we seek justice for Senzo Meyiwa. Stay tuned until the end to uncover all the details and revelations that will leave you on the edge of your seat.
With the leave of the court, my lord, I will supplement this evidence or this version. I have a correspondence in Kwanongo who is actually assisting us to obtain a relevant information regarding case number 163 of 10/2018. My lord, in the meantime, I have a copy, an extract from the data system that contains the details relating to case number 163 of 10/2018. I beg leave to hand over the copy to the witness for any comment on that copy, my lord, and to place the details on record.
Yes, Mr. Oloi, what's your view?
As a copy that is in order, my lord.
Okay. That data, you say, is extrapolated from where?
From Kwanongo, my lord.
Is it the official
station.
Police record?
From that's correct.
Okay, fine.
Yes. So, are you in possession of the copy of that extract?
Yes, I have it.
All right. Can you please, before we move on, confirm the case number that reflects on the document?
Case number
Nongoma, case number 163 of 10/2018.
Nongoma 163 of 10 of 2018.
Can you please confirm the investigating officer of that case?
Nongoma Detective Station 71859. I think the personal number 71859 535 Sergeant El Mungome Zulu.
Solution Sergeant El Mungome Zulu, together with the some numbers. It's written Nongoma Detective Station, and with what appears as the first number, and it's written Sergeant L. Mungomezu. Lapa Paloti Nongoma Detective Station and Palon Futi and Bunasangati number Zomuntu is a poesa, the same 7 Futi was a Palon Sergeant L. Mungomezu.
So, do you confirm the station that reflects Nongoma?
This is what we do station, so we get the Nongoma. Yes, I do.
It also reflects accused. It said accused, then number 1. Do you see that?
I want to have a movie the number 1. I can see that.
The surname of the accused is Buteles. Do you see that?
Yes, I can see that. You're born.
The initials of the accused is OB. Do you see that? It's QB, sorry, man. Do you see that?
Yeah, well,
Yes, I can see that.
Remember, okay, let's just get into the details of this. The charge preferred against this accused was possession of unlicensed firearm. Do you confirm that?
yes, Yakiona.
Yes, I can see that it is written like that.
Can you further confirm? Oh,
But you haven't get born along.
can you please further confirm that this matter was finalized by a guilt, and the accused was sentenced to 15 years?
What you want to do, no more do work in a limlated. Wabona more with Moto, will have a mutual unalemonatu, Ivileba, Musentis, Java, Filemo, 15.
Yeah, well.
Yes, I can see that in Yabona law.
So you will agree with me that under this cast number 163 of 10/2018 does not reflect the names of accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi.
Now, one of the
That's a good place. I don't know if such a proposition can be put to the accused when all that we have, my lord, is just an extract without mentioning how many accused were there. It's mentioned here, accused number 1 Butilezi. We don't know how many accused were there and as when this matter was finalized.
Is that a plea? Wait. Is that a plea matter, or was it on trial?
Well, we don't know. All that stands here is the verdict. We don't know whether there was a separation, there was a plea of guilty and a separation of
separation, etc., etc.
Yes.
May I clarify that, my lord, as well as this accused, as it reflects number, it may also mean there was one accused. But what I asked the witness is whether on this extract that is before him, there is no name Ntanzi, Bongani, Boniso, Sandiso. That's what I'm asking.
Se ke ba nyaka gore o se tlhalose mora bona re ka ba number 1 e tlhalosa gore latofatšwa ko 3 kapa e latofatšwa gore ke latofatšwa matho mara se re nyaka go se bontsha gore mo ga wa ngwadiswa Sandiso Ntanzi. That is correct.
Hence, my lord, I requested that this version be provisionally accepted and subject to confirmation from J7s from Kwanongoma and the relevant documentation. So the reason why I'm concerned about this extract is that the name of Ntanzi is not mentioned. The matter was finalized, and upon your evidence, you said this matter is not finalized.
That's a good place, my lord. I think the proper way of dealing with this matter is to get that case docket so that we can see how many accused were there, what happened to the rest of the accused, because the document clearly states that this Butilezi was accused number 1.
Was it? The document states
that this Butilezi that my learned friend is referring to was accused number 1.
Yeah. Wait. He is referred to as accused number 1
Yes.
in that extract.
Yes.
He's not listed
As the only accused.
as Rachamokwaching, the only one. So there's not accused number 1. Maybe there's also number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Is that your submission, sir?
Yes, it says accused number 1, surname Butilezi.
My lord,
Yeah,
it's easy to clarify this.
very easy.
Very, very
Where's the
simple.
proof? Just show the state the proof.
Firstly, let's get into the evidence of Sergeant Mukhani. In your evidence in chief, you never mentioned of especially the charge, it's murder. It's not possession of unlicensed firearm only. You mentioned murder, which does not reflect on this extract.
When I come at some alpha and alpha, we let it up of a lie and around all or more extract illusory.
Once again, my lord, we don't know the circumstances. Could have been it was a plea and sentence agreement. This accused could have offered a plea on possession of firearm. It would be unfair to put that question to the witness whilst we don't know the exact circumstances.
Why don't we wait for the docket, because we're just rounding in circles now.
Thank you, my lord.
I can even come with a third supposition. It's possible that Buthelezi, that's not his name. You've heard of such cases?
It is further possible.
Yeah, I can come with another possibility also.
My lord, let us be genuine to the court. Sergeant Mukano came to testify in relation to case number 163.
Yeah.
He never furnished sufficient information. He had no docket when he arrested accused number 2, and he did not bring the same docket in court when the proceedings started. And I would request that the witness bring the docket so that we confirm all the contents of the docket and what was the charge preferred against those accused or against the person reflecting under case 163 of 10/2018. When can you bring the docket, Mr.
The document to you. I will check with Brigadier Kinenda. He's the one that handles it. So, Kumana Brigadier Kinenda, we are now part time.
Can you also furnish further dockets that relates to Ntanzi, especially the drug case and the possession of unlicensed ammunition?
Ugatali document sharing Cheruwanchan for Uzana Young and Ntanzi more Hesi Ya Husara di Tunya Apelia Ya DOE batch. I will bring them.
Thank you, Malota. With your indulgence, Malota,
Yeah, okay.
request this part of evidence to be stood down, pending those documents to be brought. Let us move forward. On the 16th of June 2020, when you arrived at Ntanzi's room, that's when you found Ntanzi with his Tswana girlfriend. He opened for you.
God is in charge June 2020. Ulo Hujantanzi, Ubanale girlfriend, and he can alubulate. That is correct.
That's the time when you informed him about the matter of Kwanongoma.
That is correct.
You explained his rights. We'll get into the rights that you have explained. Among other rights that you have explained, a right to remain silent.
So, that is correct.
We further mentioned that inform him of his right of not remaining silent, and that evidence will be used against him during the subsequent trial. Is that correct? And the last was the right to have his legal representative of his own choice. If he doesn't have, he can get a legal aid attorney or representative. And
that is correct.
Were these the only rights you explained to you?
Each one I feel like to get a jail, Leon Matel Sujajana. You go on a pella a Malung and Zalawan.
Mutaru Jack Murichona, Navosalo Parumuya, Marek Fita Police Station, Come Midi Jawana.
Yes, that's what I told him while we were in his room. But then when we went to the police station, I read the whole rights for him. Yeah, we don't have to go and discuss the room in like. But I said, "Must figure out some for the long. I'm doing it." All
right. Now we are at the police station as per LL1, Exhibit LL1, which is an SAP 14 capital letter A, which is the notice of rights that you said you inform accused number 2. Is that correct?
Exhibition LL1, SAP 14 A, together, Jamila to find. That is correct.
Yes. Before you detained accused number 2, did you inform about the right after he was arrested to be charged within a period of 48 hours?
Camera already sorry that of a John or be the Lila Mojore, una de to Calapore. Bamutole, the other 48 fela mala. The sketch of it, the social Mujamla. That is correct, according to what I'm reading here.
Did you further inform him that if, because I believe it was Friday when you arrested him, but did you further inform him that if 48 hours falls within a weekend or a holiday, he must be brought to court on the court day? Did you explain that?
I don't 48 hours you will have a weekend thing. I did not explain it, but I read it to him.
As an experienced officer with more than 20 years, 21 years, accused is arrested on Friday. And if you understand what is 48 hours, do you know when did 48 hours lapsed from the day you arrested him?
48 hours
the 16th of June 2020.
Before I continue, I'd like to check what was the weekday of the 16th of June 2020.
I believe it was Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. It was, or Saturday. It was a holiday, June 16th holiday.
So, but you just said it is Friday. I just want to know specifically.
That's the reason why you wanted to verify that, because I remember the 19th was on Friday, 19th June. As per your
I'm going to go the 19th of June. You will love it.
All right. Sergeant Mukhan, it has come to my attention that the 16th of June 2020, it was on Tuesday.
When I look at the 16th of June 2020, we love it. When I say I told you, Spirit, 16th of June 2020, oh, the Spirit, that's your moment.
So when does your 48 hours lapse?
48 hours
from Tuesday.
Galawit.
Carvel holiday, Wednesday, Thursday, come Friday.
I'm not sure whether I'm putting it right, but then I think from Tuesday it ends on Friday. And I don't understand.
So, according to what you have explained to him, if Friday is the last date, the next court date was on Monday.
Friday fela I church la mafela go record date e latelang church la ya courtroom e be le Mantaha. That is correct. Yeah, but kunjalo uthi uma uthi phela 48 hours phela lesihlanu kusho ukuthi ke ilanga lokuya enkantolo lokuqala lale ngaba umsombuluko.
Yes, but on that Monday, accused number 2 was not taken to court.
Ngakajajile we la Mantaha mlatofatwa obedi ga ishwa court.
So please, that is not correct, my lord. We've handed up exhibit all the proceedings of the booking court.
I thought you went to court, represented by a certain Mr. Mjiako.
Yes. No. Yes, there is, yes.
Hello?
My lord, may I proceed? May I
No. How can you proceed when he's objecting?
I'm clarifying this, the aspect.
Mr. Baloyi says your client appeared properly. Are you saying that's in court?
Yes, indeed. So, on the 22nd.
Unless he's wrong, then of course you clarify it with him.
My lord, accused number 2. All right.
It's exhibit R, my lord.
What does it say? Just put it on record. Maybe Mr. Mjiako has forgotten
Yeah,
it.
maybe I'm confusing.
Just put it on record.
Because I was referring to LL. The first
RR is the charge sheet of booking CAS 118/6/2020. Investigating Officer Sergeant Mukhani. The place of trial is Kabani, and the date of first appearance is 22nd June 2020. The accused is Bongani Ntanzi.
So he appeared on 2020.
Yes.
Which is a Monday, according to you.
Yes.
Which is a?
Which should have been the Monday.
Is that a Monday? 2020.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
I
22nd, in other words, 22nd of June.
22nd June.
It was a Monday. Are you calibrating it correctly also, Mr. Ngomezulu?
Yes, my lord. Thank you very much.
20, yeah, fine.
There's an indication on that entry on MM1, on MM, exhibit MM for the 16th of June 2020, when accused was booked in at 2442.
Unale mo wanchang mo exhibition NM hore mlatofatwa oila bukwa ka what was the time again?
It's 2442. At Protea Mode, according to NM, exhibit NM. Yeah, Protea.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, my lord, for your indulgence. My lord, may I refer the witness to exhibit MM for clarity,
Exhibit MM,
which bears the date of the 16th of June 2020.
wanchang the 16th of June 2020.
Yes,
You see that?
Yes, Kid Village.
I am looking at it.
It's on page 1 of
Mo paging Ematom.
exhibit MM.
My exhibit MM, mo paging Ematom.
you see that?
I am still looking for it.
Oh, sorry.
What is the serial number?
The serial number is 467.
Yeah, TMO.
Now I have it here.
So you confirm that the date is the 16th of June 2020.
I need to find the date in which the 16th of June 2020. That is correct. Yeah, but let's consider the date in 16th of June 2020.
Can you please go to the entry? To the entry that you have, the record that you have made in terms of that exhibit.
We are moving on the exhibit A.
467-2242 in Transistor. Detective Sergeant Mohani of National Cold Cases Unit with one male suspect on Nongoma case, 160 of 10/2018. Bongani Ntanzi, SAP 1464-6-2020, SAP 14A 512-66765. Time of arrest doing 100 with no injuries. Contact number.
And there's a word transit.
Yes.
And you further explain that word transit.
In transit, the
in transit word implies that the person is just passing through, and is not going to be staying in that place for a long time.
Yes.
In transit,
Yes, in terms of the cast number reflecting the 163, it was the Nongoma case, not the booking case. You agree?
163 that is correct.
So if it reflects transit, he was supposed to be taken to Nongoma police station or to Nongoma court. Do you agree?
In transit, Nongoma police station, Nongoma court. That is correct. You have a finally which mark to transit, who should sell a police station in Nongoma. Normal, you sell a Nongoma, I imagine.
If the next court date was the 22nd of June 2020, accused number 2 was supposed to be taken to Nongoma court, not Puking court.
Koro ibe sonje idula rapegadi 22 June 2020 ube sonje lore kumwadweka efezero Nongoma ise yago Puking. Awya.
Ka ba shetse ke hlaloshitse mathomo ngore diketsa rena be di tshedintshi go ile wa kana lore re tlo Nongoma di khola ke tsona lengwelana.
Like I've already explained, said that there were many cases that we're dealing with, and then Nongoma is very far.
Sir, I'm concerned about 48 hours. I'll get into those cases that you allege accused number 2 was facing.
You will like 48 hours.
He was arrested on the 16th of June. He was not brought to Nongoma court as per cast number 163 of 10/2018.
Nongoma 163 of 10/2018.
Eventually, the 48-hour prescribed period lapsed.
And really, 48 hours, fair.
I feel like our radical shady, really remo place for Slorasi, Carry Shechel or Bakhul, the Galvan Kisa for Slorasa.
Where the 48 hours did not lapse. We decided we're going to place him in 4 hours because he also had a case there. Because we felt that the Nongoma issue was very far. Yebo sacabanga ukuthi ke ngoba ke nelinye icala lase phosphorus ngosimise phosphorus ngoba indaba yonongoma ayikude kakhulu.
It's even worse. Phosphorus court did not place any matter on the roll.
Happily phosphorus court liona ipalejo hore ibeli taba e dulanga jajile.
Aragan, ibil asla mathomo re bale monate ya mfuto.
No, I do not dispute that, but this is not the first time that we have cases of this type. Yebo angiphingi kodwa akona uqala siba namacala njengali.
Say we are dealing with this case. We are dealing with the 48 hours that has lapsed after we have arrested accused number 2. More importantly is the right that we have explained to accused number 2 when you arrested him. That's very important.
No, rola 48 hours early in fita. I have already took a jail and I can sit down lot for trouble beat.
Aragan, Mara, Ntanzi will court. I he went to a court where he appeared. As for Minchiche, Capek door, will court, Phosphorus said or no. How that case Kawa and compulsory tag.
Well, we did take Mr. Ntanzi to court. We didn't take him there using a back door. But it was then decided that the Phosphorus case was the one that was going to be decided.
Sir, please let us be honest. Puking Court, he was not charged with murder, neither charged with possession of drugs. He was charged, he was arrested and charged with possession of unlicensed ammunition.
If I remember correctly, before we went to Puking, we started by going to the Phosphorus court.
Yes, I will not go back to whether the matter was placed or not, but let me just put it straight to you. On the 22nd of June, when you allege, because it denies that he appeared in court on that day, even if the charge sheet may reflect that, he denies that he was ever brought to court. The main concern of the defense is that when a matter was postponed on the 22nd of June 2020, the magistrate issued and signed a J7. Do you agree?
Magistrate will sign a J7. I do agree with that. Magistrate will sign a J7.
The accused should or must be remanded to prison if bail was not granted. Do you agree?
I'd like to request for a slight adjournment so that I can look at these, because you are talking about two cases, Phosphorus and Puking. So I just want to really gather my thoughts around it.
My Lord, the witness is requesting the matter to stand down.
Thanks for watching. Till then, love y'all. Cheerio.